Wait. May bonggang 28% discount ang China Airlines sa flights to Taiwan para sa mga magjowa, mag-asawa, kahit travel buddy lang or ka-situationship or just friends or kahit ka mag-anak na gusto mong makasama sa travel. Ano man ang relationship nyo, basta dalawa kayo and papunta kayong Taipei or Kaohsiung, pwede nyong i-avail to. Pwedeng round trip like Manila, Taipei, Manila or Manila, Kaohsiung, Manila. Pwede ring Manila, Taipei yung papunta, tapos Kaohsiung to Manila yung pabalik, or vice versa. Basta two-way from Manila, economy class, and dalawa at a time ang booking. You have to be traveling together. And here's how to avail. Step 1, visit the official promo page sa China Airlines website. Medyo mahaba yung URL, so binitli na namin para sa inyo. Ito yan. Sa baba ng page na to, tap on Get Promo Code. Fill out the form with your details, kasama na dyan yung passport number and contact details ninyong dalawa. After you submit, bibigyan ka ng promo code na gagamitin mo for step 3. Book a flight sa China Airlines website or mobile app. Yung outbound travel nyo should be within September 7 to December 7 this year. Pero yung pabalik, pwede kahit hanggang July 31 next year pa. And make sure na you're booking for 2 packs para mag-apply yung promo. So, eto na yung test booking natin. 137 USD ang lowest na base fare. Yun yung published rates. Pero China Airlines kasi displays the total price kasama yung taxes and fees na for 2 packs na. So, yung price na nakikita nyo here, good for 2 na yan, one way. Yung pinakamurang nahanap natin ay itong 196-ish USD, yan yung papunta, and 207.8 naman ang pabalik. Ang total niyan ay 404.2 USD, so $202 per pax. That's roughly 11,600 pesos per person. Round trip yan ha, and kasama na dyan ang terminal fees, pero excluded ang travel tax. May included na ring 7 kilos na carry-on or hand carry and 23 kilos na check-in baggage allowance. May in-flight meal na rin to. Murang-mura na yan kasi remember, China Airlines is a full-service airline. Ito ang flag carrier ng Taiwan. This promo is supported by Taiwan Tourism Administration. So i-grab nyo na to kung gusto nyo rin namang mag-travel before the year ends, i-Taiwan nyo na yan. And limited slots lang to, so kausapin nyo na agad ang gusto nyong makasama or itag nyo sila below bago maubos ang discounted seats. And follow for more travel scoops!